Great olive oil that tastes great, and not only tastes great, but is good for you with high nutritional value, is produced only by people that understand the whole process of olive oil production. Meet the Cosmano family. They are from Deliva Olive Oil, and they gave me the privilege of a tour of their farm in winter of this year. They are small batch purveyors of high quality artisan olive oil that can't be found in most places. When I took a walk through their olive forest, because that's exactly what it is, a forest of olive trees, I was amazed. There were olive trees as far as the eye could see, and they are in the Aspromonte Mountains in a high altitude and rich soil. The trees had finished being pollinated, and they're only pollinated by the wind, not by insects. So the production of this olive oil, good olive oil, depends solely on nature, on the wind, the sun, the rain, all that happens naturally. Now it's October and harvest time, and as you can see, there is a automated / hand-picked type of system that works for picking the extraordinary amount of olives that are growing. This machine, this mechanical method, grabs a couple branches and gently shakes them so the olives fall to the ground, and then you have them falling onto these green nets where they are picked up by hand and brought in containers where the olives are put in, and before they go to the presser to become olive oil. At this time, there are a number of different stages that the olives are in for ripeness, starting from green to pink to reddish to purple. And right now, it's a race with time to make sure that you get the certain quality and variety of ripeness to make the highest quality olive oil. Once they are brought to the presser, which should be within 6 to 8 hours of picking to preserve the nutritional value, that goes through a process that smashes the olives, separates the paste from the olives, presses them at a certain temperature. We think of it as cold press, and it's all designated and controlled electronically. Everything is thought of with great olive oil, including spouts for the oil. I took the picture on the right, actually in Italy at a restaurant that had a pour spout on its olive oil, which was allowing air to get into the bottle of olive oil. That destroys nutrients. Deliva's top on the bottle, and the bottle is glass. It's a heavy glass. It's a dark glass, so air and light doesn't get into it. And even the pour spout is as small as can be, so that the great olive oil, the high-quality olive oil, is not compromised by air. These are things many people do not think about or realize, but it makes a difference in the amount of time that your olive oil will stay fresh. And in the end, you have something that is worth putting on your table, something you can be proud of. These are two different labels. The white one is one cultivar of olives, and the black one is another cultivar. Each bottle of olive oil contains only one cultivar of organically grown olives. This is an inside look on olive oil production that few people get to see. I hope you've enjoyed it.